The brain has brakes, right? But what if hitting the brakes could actually make things speed up? Yeah, sounds wild, I know. But sometimes the brain's stop sign really does mean go. So, your brain has go signals and stop signals, and keeping those in balance, absolutely critical. We're going to focus on the brakes today, GABA and its partner in crime, glycine. Okay, get this. The brain's main brake, GABA, is actually made from its main accelerator, glutamate.
And the other brake, glycine, it's made from serine, super important for the spinal cord.
So when GABA gets released, it docks onto this thing called the GABA-A receptor on the next neuron. See that little channel right in the middle? That's the secret sauce. That's how it all works. That channel pops open, negative chloride ions flood in, and boom, the neuron is less likely to fire. And here's what that looks like. The activity just flatlines. The brakes are on hard. Glycine works pretty much the same way. It binds, opens a chloride channel, and slams the brakes on. So GABA is always a brake, right? Well, not so fast. In neuroscience, context is everything. And here's the big twist. In the developing brain, GABA is actually an excitatory signal. So why does this happen? Young neurons pack themselves full of chloride, keeping the inside levels super high. And that high chloride level flips everything on its head. We might see similar mechanics in conditions like anorexia nervosa. But as the brain matures, another system kicks in and starts pumping that chloride back out. So what's the result? When chloride is high inside, GABA becomes an accelerator, not a brake. Basically, the ions flow the other way, and that completely flips GABA's job from stop to go. This whole system is crucial for building the brain, but it also reveals a potential weak spot later on. So the big takeaway? A neurotransmitter's job isn't set in stone. The cell's environment calls the shots. Makes you wonder, right? What other rules in our biology are just waiting for the right context to be broken?